Hello everybody, welcome back. I've mentioned in the last two videos about Bella having a new playmate, uh, Jimmy's dog, Olive. I'm kind of busy today helping out, working on an RV, not mine, just helping out with a friend's RV. But I wanted to take a minute and share this real quick. At first, Bella sounds ferocious, and Bella looks like she's being pretty ferocious to the little Olive. But you'll see quickly that little Olive's a tough little girl and very much has a bring it on, is that all you got attitude. So I hope you enjoy this. Just be a couple of minutes, and that's it. Let's go. Okay, so they're they have a lot of fun together. Uh, I'm gonna get back to work, and that's it. We're getting another RV taken care of. You might see that in another video. It might be a couple of days. We'll see what happens. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed the dogs playing, and hope to see you back in a video soon. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Till next time, take care.